Jamaicans are feeling the financial fallout from COVID-19.
Right in my pocket weak right now.
Who gonna compensate us for some of the losses?
The government is responding.
We care and help is on the way.
But just who will benefit from this help? Join us for COVID-19 and the economy on Monday, March 30 at 8:30 p.m. Send your questions to 876-381-0072 or at Television Jam on Twitter or Television Jamaica on Facebook. That's COVID-19 and the economy, a digital town hall, Monday, March 30 at 8:30 p.m. Live on TVJ, JNN, OneSpotMedia.com, Radio Jamaica 94 FM, Power 106 FM, The Gleaner Online, and all TVJ social media platforms.